Welcome back. Today I will solve exercise 2.2 relation and function. Question number first. Let a set of element 1, 2, 3 dot dot 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy belong to A. Take an element of x and y exists in set A. Write down its domain, codomain and also range. Solution of this question. Now given set of element have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are element of set A, and also given R set have element order pair x y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. So initially we find order pair set of R. So given 3x minus y is equal to 0, minus y is equal to minus 3x. Minus minus cancel out, y is equal to 3x. Given x, y belong to set A. Set A. So now put x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3, and put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So element order pair 1 comma 3 and also order pair 2 comma 6, and again put x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9, order pair 3 comma 9. Put x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So now order pair 4 comma 12. Also put x is equal to 14, x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 15 not belong to in this set. This is not possible. So this is not possible. So now order pair R is equal to set xy. So order pair 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6 and also 3 comma 9 and 4 comma 12. So this is set of R. Write down its domain. Domain R is equal to first component of order pair 1, 2, 3, 4. This is domain 1, 2, 3, 4, and range R is equal to second component of order pair 3, 6, 9, 12, this is range. And codomain is equal to set of A. So set of A element 1, 2, 3 dot dot 14. This is domain element of set R. Domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First component of order pair, and range second component of order pair known as range, and codomain set of all element A. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N of natural number by R is equal to xy, order pair xy, such that y is equal to x plus 5. X plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. xy belong to natural number. Depict this relationship using roster form and write down domain and range. So now solution of this question, given R is equal to x, y, such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is an natural number, x is a natural number less than 4. So given y is equal to x plus 5, where x is less than 4. X less than 4 means x is equal to 1, 2, 3, taken as value of x 1, 2, 3. Now put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So order pair 1, 6. Put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So order pair 2, 7. Put x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So order pair 3, 8. So taken in write in roster form, R is equal to order pair 1, 6, and 2, 7 and 3, 8. So this is roster form. And also find domain R is equal to set of first component 1, 2, 3. This is domain. And range R set of second component, coordinate of second component 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. This is range. Question number 3. Set of element A 1, 2, 3, 5 and B 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equal to xy such that the difference between x and y is odd number. X belong to A, y belong to B. Write R in roster form. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So now solution of this question. Now given A is equal to set of element 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 6, 9 and given R is equal to x, y such that the difference between x and y is odd and x y belong to A. Taken x y element in set A. So now R is equal to the difference between x and y. X and y, x for this is x belong to A and y belong to B. Y belong to B. So now x y natural number. So this is taken as so difference between x y. So y, so now 4 is greater 1. 4 minus 1, this is 3. So this is 1, 4, this is 3, 1 comma 4, this is 1 minus 4 is equal to 3, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, this is odd, and 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6, 6 minus 1, this is 5, 5 is odd, 1 minus 9, 1 minus 9 is equal to 8, 8 is even, not. So 2 minus 4 minus 2, not. 6 minus 2, not. And 2, 9 minus 2, this is 7. And 2 comma 7. So this and 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So 3 comma 4. And 3, 6, 3 comma 6, 6 minus 3, this is 3 odd, and 3 minus, and 9 minus 3, this is 6, not possible. So 5, 4, 5 minus 4, so 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 6, 5, 6 and 5, 9, 5, 9. So this is order pair of set R in roster form. So 4 minus 1, this is odd, 6 minus 1, this is odd, 7 minus 2, this is odd, 4 minus 3, this is odd, 6 minus 3, this is odd, 5 minus 1, this is odd, 5 minus 6, this is odd, and 5 minus 9, this is odd. So write in roster form. This is answer. Question number 4. The figure 2.7 shown a relationship between the set P and set Q. Write this relation. First, in set of builder form, form. And second, roster form, what is its domain and range. So now set a builder form. So R is equal to x such that y is equal to, so now 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 this is 3, 6 minus 2 this is 4, 7 minus 2 this is 5. So x minus 2, y is equal to x minus 2, where x is equal to 5 6 7, 5 6 7. So now x such that y is equal to x minus 2. So x for 5, 5 minus 2 this is 3, and x is equal to 6, 6 minus 2 this is 4, 7 minus 2 this is 5. So this is set of builder form. And second, roster form, what is domain. So solution of this question. So domain R is equal to first element of set A. Set element of set related to Q. So 5 6 7, 5 6 7. So related to Q. So 5 related to 3, 6 related to 4, and 7 related to 5. So 5 6 7 is domain. Range R is equal to, so image of P, so 3 4 5, 3 4 5, this is a range. That's all. Thank you.